We need to flush the system with water to clean the airless sprayer. This is a similar process to priming the machine, except we're just going to do it with water. You can retrieve a significant amount of paint from the airless sprayer by simply removing the suction hose and placing it in a bucket and running the airless sprayer with the return hose. So keeping the return hose in the paint tin, you turn the airless sprayer back on, waiting for all the paint to return back into the paint tin. Once there is no more paint coming through the return hose, that means that the pump is now clear. For the next step, you need a bucket of clean water and an empty bucket. Your suction hose is going to go into the bucket of clean water and your return hose is going to go in the bucket. Now you're going to run through the priming process again until the water coming out of the return hose is clear. You turn the machine on. When you see water coming through the hose, direct the flow into a bucket to catch the waste. Allow clean water to run through the pump and hose until it's clear. Now that your pump is essentially clean, you now need to clean out the paint line. You need to decompress the gun first to make sure that there's no pressure built up inside. Then you need to unscrew the gun from the hose. You can put the gun into a bucket of water and gently clean the tip and filter. Turn the machine off, refit the gun, turn the machine back on and spray water through it to clear any paint from the gun. So there you have it, a brief look at painting with an airless sprayer. Remember, the team at your local branch can help answer any questions that you may have about your particular project. For more information, visit our Get Inspired page or give us a call. While operating machinery, we recommend using the necessary safety gear, all of which Kennards Hire branch has in stock. Follow all safety instructions Kennards Hire staff gives you and always refer to the operator's instructions before operating. Instructions are available on the Kennards Hire website or simply ask at the branch. Special thanks to Dulux for their advice and support during this project.
Kennards make it